Happy birthday, Lolo! Lolo, happy 90th birthday! Wish ko kaya ka sana dasan mo pa yung 100. So, 10 more years for you. Stay healthy. Banta po muli kami. Dasan da ka pang healthy. Love you!
Happy birthday, Lolo! We love you so much. At salamat kami. Titit mo lang nga po mo kentud. Nakyang kasaya nga last year minuli kami. Ikit na ka pa. So, sana ay kumaba pa yung biye mo. We wish you all the best, good health, and more life. We love you so much. We miss you. Sana maging masaya ka yung party mo tonight.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Wish you a good health and more birthday to celebrate. Love you!
We love you! Happy birthday!
Happy 90th birthday, Lolo! We love you! Wish ko kay ka, Lolo, sana di na nakapang makabanding kay Babo. Para po tang muli kami, niyabi-yabi tamo batang laging masaya ka rin. Bye-bye and ingat ko again. Love you all! Bye!
Happy 90th birthday, Ingkong! We love you and we miss you. Bye!
Greetings from Canada. Happy birthday po, Tang. We wish you many more blessings to come. Regards to all.
Happy birthday! Kampai!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Grandpa. Hope you have many more to come.
Yeah, padatang ang birthday tan. Salamat ka na kapatag ko kay pamanesya na kaya. Dikit tarang malapit na kami muli. Thank you very much. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Grandpa. I hope to see you one day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lord. Happy birthday to you.
Kaya kayungan, babiya ko ing maya pa oras. Matula akong pasalamat king Aldoning kay baitan mo tang. Maging masaya ka king pigsadyada kaya karang kapatid ko. Bistaman na laki ken balam at kami naman. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Pasalamatan da ka at kaluguran ni kenandang pamilya ko. Happy birthday tang. I love you. See you soon.
Happy 90th birthday, Ingkong. We love you and we miss you. Many more birthdays to come and more blessings coming your way. And hope to see you soon. Love you.
Happy 90th birthday, Ingkong.
We love you.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dad!
Happy birthday, Kong Ipulsini. I am just wishing you na sana kumaba ka pa be and sana lagi kang maging healthy na. I hope to see you soon and kaluguran na ka. Happy birthday.
Hello po! Happy birthday, Tito! 90th birthday. Wish ko good health and more birthdays to come pa po. And mabot ka pa 100 more. Kaya ka pa mag-give up. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life po. Balo ko masikang ka pa eh. Ne? Good health po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Sana dakal pang birthday datang kero.
Sana lagi kang healthy. We love you and we miss you.
Itang garetang kong kanako nene.
Happy birthday, Ingkong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy